Today, we're going to be talking about the Predator Armor dump pouch. So if you've never used a dump pouch or run one with your equipment, with your setup, it's a great piece of gear to have. It comes in handy, has tons of uses, we think you'll love it. So the Predator Armor dump pouch, as you can see, it's a roll-up style dump pouch. It's about 3 inches wide, 3 inches tall, and only 2 inches deep. So it takes up minimal space on either your belt or your setup or wherever you're carrying it on your body. So as I said, it rolls up, unroll it here, and you can see it's plenty large to hold anything you want. It's big enough to fit 9 AR mags or equivalent sized items in there. So the tire construction is 1000D Cordura, top to bottom, which means it's super durable. This thing's not going to wear out on you. Whatever you're throwing in there, you don't have to worry about that. Super strong. Other nice features on this, you can see there's a drain hole in the bottom. If you get water in there, it'll drain right out. We have a cinch top here, so once you drop your spent mags, brass, whatever you might be carrying in your dump pouch, cinch that up, secure it so it's not going to fall out when you're running. Also, the tab velcros down here, stays out of the way, so it's not going to get in your way when you're trying to drop whatever else you need in there. So one of the cool things about our dump pouch really is the way it can connect. So there's multiple options here for connecting this to your gear. So we have laser cut MOLLE in the back, so you can hook it on with malice clips or whatever way, that way with your MOLLE PAL setup. Also, most often these are run on belts. Most people run their dump pouches on their belt. Right here through the back, it's got a slot that you can just slide your belt directly through. A couple nice things about this is one, you run it with your battle belt or anything like that, you can slide it through, you can hook it on with MOLLE, but also if you're not running a full battle belt, or let's say you're not running your plate carrier with your PALS and MOLLE setup, you can still carry this with just any regular belt. Weave any belt through there and you carry it with you. As I was saying, there's tons of uses for these things. They're super handy. Whether you're just going on a hike, you want to carry a water bottle in there, snacks in there, everyone needs a good snack bag, or just other supplies that you might want with you when you're in the mountains. Also, like I said, most commonly used for spent mags, connected with your battle gear when you go to the range or whatever else, training, drop your spent mags in there. Also, it's great for brass when you go to the shooting range to collect your brass. It just connects right there on your hip and you can dump your brass in there. So, and when you're done, it rolls right back up, velcros it down, and as I said, it takes up minimal space on your gear. So the dump pouch also comes in multicam, coyote, and black. So it's available in all 3 of those colors on our website. This is 100% made in the USA, backed by our lifetime warranty, just as all Predator Armor gear is.